In the other field report video tutorial, we showed you how to submit a field report. In this video, we're going to show you how to view those field reports and then sort and filter the data based on your interest. You just go up to Observations, click on View Field Reports. It may take a minute to load, but as soon as it loads, the default view will be a table view. You can toggle to Map View at the very top of the page. The data filters work the same in both Map and Table View. You can filter by date. Maybe I want to go back an extra week. And anytime you hit a filter, you just want to hit Apply. It'll take a minute to load, and you'll get a new table or new map based on the new filter selections. Outside of selecting the date range that you're interested in viewing, you can choose by avalanches observed, people that saw avalanches, were caught in avalanches, or triggered avalanches. You can filter by area names, which represents the old 10 forecast zones we had in our previous platform. You can filter by the amount of cracking that was observed in the field report, or by the amount of collapsing in the field report. And you can use any combination of these filters to really get at the data you want. For example, let's say I wanted to look at avalanches since February 17th, only look at avalanches that people witnessed in the northern San Juan area. I click Apply, and I get a filtered list. I can reset the filters by just clicking the Reset button next to Apply, and it'll take me back to the default view. For one more example, let's say I wanted to look at avalanches going all the way back to February 1st, and I wanted to look at any avalanche involvement, including people that saw, caught, or triggered avalanches across the whole state. I click Apply, and I get a new filtered set of field reports where people saw, were caught, or triggered avalanches. You notice that there is color coding here in the table view, but there is a key on the bottom to help explain that. The darker colors means the field report mentions someone was caught in an avalanche. The middle tones was someone triggered an avalanche, and the lighter tone is someone saw an avalanche. The key is a little bit different if you go to Map View. But you can see here we've got the icons with their definitions at the bottom of the page. And again, the filters, as previously selected, will apply to the map view. So now that we know how to filter the data, let's go over how to view individual data records. In the map view, I can simply click on any icon. If I see a number in green here, it just means we've got multiple observations in close proximity. You can scroll into the map and you can see those observations will separate. If I click on any one of the icons, I get a little summary, and then I can see the full field report by clicking on the link on the date range. From the table view, I simply click on the date, and once again, the individual field report will pop up in a separate window. The table view also allows you to sort the data. You can sort by date, backcountry area, observer, number of avalanches, and the number of media. So if I click on avalanches, this will put the observations with the most number of avalanches at the top, or I can go from least number of avalanches to the most by clicking on the arrow again. I can always go back to date, and it will sort by most recent observation. We hope you find the new field report viewer an easy and efficient way to sort through all of the data.